The 10X rule is based on this. Two concepts. You're either expanding or you're contracting, and there's nothing in between. Anything in between is you trying to make sense of something that doesn't exist. You're either expanding your business or contracting your business. Now the question is, how much do you expand at? You know what this is? What is this right here? That's a line. What kind of line? It's a flat line. That means you died. Okay, watch this. This is a business. What is that? Almost a flat line. Gravity will pull it down. Okay? What is that? This is survival right here. You understand? This is not survival. This is not survival. This is survival. Your business has to grow, folks. So the first question you got to ask yourself today is this. Why? Oh man, look at this. Magic. Okay? Why, man? Why? See, this is what a team does around you. Whether it's your wife, your husband, kids. Your team should provide you with support, not criticism. Not how you did it wrong. Hey man, here's the table. Somebody could say, well, Grant, you should have told us you needed a table, Elena. You needed a table. You should have told me what you needed before you did it, but I didn't. Okay, I'll give you an example. We have 5 little companies. We run them out of one roof. It'll always be under one roof, okay? And because I want one roof because I want to be there, right? Yesterday, where's Johnny, the camera guy? Right here. Why aren't you moving around? You got 2 legs. Huh? You tired? You tired? Give Johnny a big hand, huh? Good dude right here. You know, because, because I'm unselfish, Johnny's got a job with me. Because I make a lot of money and I want to make more money, I was able to give Johnny a job. Johnny's become a friend of mine. Johnny flew on my jet and saw the mountains in California and had never seen the mountains before. Johnny's been on more private aircrafts than he has commercial aircrafts. Why? Because I'm unselfish. Because I got to go grow my business. It's hard to grow a business. How many agree with that? This is easy to do. By the way, this is impossible and this is possible. This is impossible. Everybody agree? What you're doing right now, what I'm trying to convince you of is the why. This is impossible. For him to keep making $900,000 a year means he will die. I will not know about him. I will not know about his business. I will not know his kids. You need to come up with a why, folks. Okay, why do you want to make this much money? If you're making $9 million, what's the goal? Add a 0. This is what Google's doing. This is what Facebook is looking at. All the big companies, they're like, we want to expand. So when I teach my kids how to count, Sabrina, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the next number? Skip. Skip. What did we skip to, Papa? 100? All you got to do is learn the first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got those? Those are basic. Starts with a 0. Zeros are the most powerful number in the world. Right? Watch how powerful it is. 9, boom, 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 boom. Right? Employees. I got 1 employee, I want to go to 10. I got 10 employees, I want to go to 100. How powerful is this? 100 employees, I want to go to 1,000. Okay? Oh, I can't hire 1,000 people. Why? Because you're selfish.